Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new update. After the big crash we had yesterday. Yeah, yesterday in general, I mean, we did talk about this a little bit in the middle of the day market update, but after that we dropped down lower. I mean, we dropped down all the way to 58,400 right here, which the last time we dropped down so low was the 30th of April. So that was quite some time ago. And right now the thing is, and that's kind of the reality of the market right now, is that we are in a day after period, right? So we got a significant dump. I have to say, I mean, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, this is a pretty decent recovery as well. As you can see, it kind of, at least the last part we had since yesterday at 4 p.m. or something, was actually a pretty nice V recovery, which is what you want to see. So that was pretty bullish, or at least I would say that was relatively bullish. You can also see on the 12-hour time frame, we actually did not break down below a significant support level right here at 60,200. So that's all relatively bullish, and there's also some other things that are pointing towards this being the bottom. But then this morning what we had is that we had the German government moving some Bitcoin again. Not much, like it's like $24 million in Bitcoin, which right now the volume is like $42 billion. So that shouldn't really make an impact, or that shouldn't really make a dent in the markets, but you never know what happens. And by the way, the fact that the volume can still get so high in the like $42 billion is for sure not nothing. The last time we hit levels like that is a very long time ago. I think it was actually like in April when we had those dumps, which was the last time we hit that. No, we also hit that the last time we hit 70,000. So I would say that's a pretty good thing to see. But then the German government moving Bitcoin, and then the uncertainty about the Mt. Gox Bitcoin, there's quite a lot of misinformation going on around that, and we just don't really know what type of impact that will have. And we don't know whether it's priced in. Could also be priced in. So that's why right now, like I said, it's the day after. We need to get some confirmation. And honestly, I think confirmation for me is quite simple. I mean, right now we are at the bottom of a consolidation, which I would say the main support is actually still here at 57,000. So as long as that holds, I think we are still in this bigger consolidation between 57 and 72,000. As long as that holds. Now, if that breaks, will turn bearish, all right? And then all of a sudden we have to start thinking about 50,000 and potentially 44,000 as potential support levels. But at this moment, I think it's too early to talk about that. If you look at the RSI, for example, that touched 2025 yesterday. The last time we did that was the 20th of August, and that was the absolute bottom we made. So I would say like that's a major bottom signal. We don't really have any, look, we don't really have, there's a bit of a bullish divergence here on the 1 hour time frame. That's another indication that this is the bottom. But honestly, for me to say that this is the bottom, I would say we need to break above 62,000. All right, if we can break above 62,000 from here, which due to the bottom signals we have, I think is slightly more likely. But then again, I'm also very often bullish and not very often bearish. But to get that breakout for me would mean a bullish continuation, at least up to like 64, 65. And then depending on the reaction at that level, we'll see again. But I cannot really, I mean, if I have to give you my most likely scenario, first of all, I see the market as this. We're in this area right here. We're waiting for a breakout. And due to the bottom signals we're getting, and also just in general, there's quite a lot of momentum coming in right now in the last couple of hours. I would say it's most likely to get some sort of a bullish breakout here, but that's I'm not trading anything unless we actually do get confirmation for that. So take that with a bit of grain of salt, but that's for now what I think you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.